Hi guys, it's Ben from Heirloom Pianos here. So fantastic news. The Yamaha GH1B project is just about finished. I'll run you quickly through what we've done, but as you can see, we have completely restrung the instrument. So included in that, we've replaced the tuning pins. We've also replaced all of the pin bushings. New agraffes have been installed as well. And at the same time, we've also replaced the bearing cloth at the front speaking and the back lengths as well. And so that's all looking very good. Some nicely tied French or single eyes there. At the same time, we have rescaled the bass. So I think in the first video I did, I mentioned that something I really don't like about this model is the fact that traditionally speaking, this is a plain wire scale all the way down to bottom B. But what we've done is we've gone through and rescaled it so that there's a much more even transition. So we have trichords up till about E, and then subsequently that moves down to bichords there, and then we obviously transition there. So we needed to make a few little adjustments. You'll notice when you have a look here that there's a couple of what we call dummy pins. So because there were 3 strings initially, we've added 3 pins, but only 2 of them actually have strings, but that doesn't make any difference. But just, I'm very happy with the transition, just having a quick listen. It's all very nice and quite a nice sounding bass at the bottom. The strings were produced by Stephen Powell in Wellington, and he's done a wonderful job making those. And we've replaced all of the damper felts as well, so they're all looking nice. There's a slight difference in height between the bichords and the split wedge, but that's just inevitable. But they all seem to be lifting nice and consistent, which is good. What else have we done? So the hammer assembly has been replaced with a Wurtzen hammer felt assembly from Brooks Ltd of America. And that is a fantastic sounding hammer for this type of instrument. It takes away a lot of the harshness that you find with the original Yamaha assembly. Very little voicing is required too, which I particularly enjoy just because there's a lot less work for me actually setting it up tonally. And it's got a nice attack, good sustain, but you can also feel in terms of the mechanism and how things play that it's a much softer hammer as well, which is quite nice. Obviously we've done the full regulation and everything's looking very nice there. Might run through and do a final couple of little adjustments because obviously with a new piano it's going to need a little bit of additional touch up here and there. But besides that, we've replaced the key bushings, full regulation, and also with the hammer assembly they have been balanced and the tails have been shaped specifically to that. All of the brass work has been repolished, and we're in the process of putting it all back together, and in a few weeks' time it'll be ready for sale at DW Music. So if you're interested in the instrument, feel free to send me a message or comment below and I can follow that up. I will do a little demonstration video of how the piano sounds now, so if you just want to hang around in about 10 seconds you'll hear what it sounds like. So all the best, and until the next video, we'll see you later.